Welcome to Canadian Domain Name Services Inc., adding name servers to your domain tutorial, which also includes adding URL forwarding to another URL. First place we start is at our website, and we need to log into our account. So you need your account number and your password, of course. And once we log in, we will be at the account information page. You can hit enter on the login or use the login button. Works the same, whichever way you choose. So we go to registered domain list here, and if you have more than one domain on your list, choose the domain you want to work with. Click on the manage button, and we're going to be working on our DNS, domain name service. And we have change and assign name servers here. We have DNS zone management. That's the actual records that are inside the zone file for your domain name on the name servers. And URL forwarding, where we're telling the forwarding server where you want your request forwarded to. The thing we want to do first is set up the DNS zone for your domain name service. We have one DNS template here. There's only one you can apply, and that's for the forwarding. We click on apply, and it pops the values in there for you. You don't need to do anything else except scroll down and save. We're just going to go back and have a look, make sure the data is still there. That's what we wanted. If you're putting your own stuff in here, you want to check for typos and things like that. So we click cancel now to go back to the domain manager. Click on DNS again. Now we're going to add the name servers. So if you were not using our URL forwarding service, you would not use the interface, the DNS zone management. You would just be putting your hosting company's name servers in here. But in this case, we're going to use cadns.ca name servers because they're required if you're going to use our URL forwarding. So we have NS1, NS2, and NS3.cadns.ca all entered there. Click on Update Name Servers. This gets sent to the registry immediately. Click on Back and DNS again, and we can see the name servers are there. The next thing we want to do is set up our URL forwarding. Pop this open, and this is the destination URL. So I want to go to the website that I want people to see. Once I have my address in there, I'm going to click update. There's no point in putting a title in unless you're using masking, and masking is kind of a passé thing of the past. If you're wanting people to see you at this URL and they know you at that URL anyway, masking that URL so that only your domain name shows in the title bar is kind of futile. You can experiment with it if you want and see if the place where you have your hosting allows that. A lot of places don't allow masking anymore, so that happens sometimes, and then people wonder why their URL forwarding isn't working. So we're not going to use the masking. We're just going to go straight to the site. We can click on back after we've saved it. We can go in there and look at it, make sure it's there. Sure, it's there. Just click on cancel. At any time during navigating the site, you can always just pop open something and look at it. As long as you click on cancel, nothing's going to change. The same stuff is going to be there. So that's it for the tutorial. You've learned how to add your URL forwarding. You've learned how to add your name servers, and you've also learned how to apply the template for the URL forwarding and the DNS zone management. So thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions for helpful tutorials or tutorials you think would be helpful, please don't hesitate to email us and let us know, and we'd be happy to make a video that describes how to do whatever it is that you're wanting to see.